Bancroft here with Carolina Rush Corporation. It's a gorgeous autumn day here in the Carolinas, October 2nd, 2023. This video is to announce that we have uploaded a new updated corporate presentation to our website, which I'm going to show you in a minute. The second thing I want to announce is that in 2 weeks from today, on Monday, October 16th, 2023, we will start drilling at Brewer, and we're very excited about that. And if you go to www.thecarolinarush.com, that's our website, and you go into investors, and then you go to presentation, you will see our new refreshed, updated presentation as of Q4, the fourth quarter of 2023. So we're not going to get too into it on this video. This is a short video, but I encourage you to check out our updated presentation. There's a lot of exciting information in it, and it's helpful to understand where we've been, where we are, and where we plan to go. As most people know, we have a new name and a new ticker symbol, Rush. We just closed the financing last month, and we're getting ready to drill at Brewer, our flagship project, gold and copper. And this is a cover slide, an aerial view of the former pit that's been reclaimed and the former leach pads. Let me just kind of scroll through this a little bit. I'm not going to go through all the slides. We have 38 slides, so it's a big presentation. Some of the information for those of you who've been following us might be familiar. Some of it might be new. But you know, we're here in the exciting Southeast, and we have 3 historic gold mine properties: Brewer, Sawyer, and New Sawyer. And our focus right now is drilling Brewer. And we've drilled before. We started exploring Brewer in 2020, right when COVID started. And we've done 2 rounds of geophysics. We've done a lot of shallow drilling, and we've drilled 17 core holes, drill core holes. And the results from those 17 have been really, really good and encouraging. We have so much information, and we've built really robust models based on the data and the analysis. So, you know, this presentation gives you a lot of insight as to what the data we've produced so far is telling us, right? What is it telling us? And what it's telling us is where to keep drilling. So we're going to be drilling again. We're going to be starting in 2 weeks from now. You'll see some core photos in our presentation. You'll see our 2022 geophysics that we did. You'll see in there some of the interpretation around the geophysics, and the interpretation is designed to help us vector and focus on where to drill next. And that's what we're doing. And I talked about a model. We've built a pretty exciting model about our project and about the big system that Brewer is, and more maps. Now, our 2023 exploration program starts on slide 16, and you'll see here, we have key target areas. It tells you where we're going to drill, and it tells you our rationale. Everything we're doing is based on data and analysis. So this slide, there's a lot going on here, but as you spend time with it, you'll understand that all of the data we've produced to date and modeled and integrated is informing our upcoming drill program. So again, these are some of our first holes. We're going to be drilling our first hole here just to the west of the former pit, drilling east. We're testing under hole 8, which was a really awesome hole. You can see the results down here. And then we're going to be going north from that area to do the same kind of thing west of the former pit, drilling east at an angle under the pit, testing hole number 5. Also a really awesome hole from our first round of drilling. So here's a cross section, again, showing some of our analysis and showing our proposed drill holes and explaining some of the rationale of why we're doing this. So there's a lot of holes about what our plans are. Then for the sort of last third of the presentation, we talk about our other properties in North Carolina, Sawyer and New Sawyer. So there's a summary slide, and then there's a capital structure slide. And you'll see here, you know, we have 55% of our shares are owned by board, management, and strategic advisors. Another 21% by high net worth investors who I would also refer to as friends. So I think that's a really nice, strong capital structure. And then there's our team, our management team, our board. You know, we've just got some great people here, and it's what gets me so much confidence. And then in the end, we've got a handful, let's say 8 slides in the appendix, just to give you more information about our option agreement. So there's another slide of some of the core for the geologists out there. I think this would be a very informative and interesting slide. And then some more slides about our Sawyer and New Sawyer projects in North Carolina. So that's all for now. We are so excited to be drilling, and we're going to be sending more updates as we get that drill turning. It's a gorgeous time to be drilling. And we're excited about our drill contractor, FTE. And that is all for now.